Hey friends, if you encounter the error, you do not have permission to view this object security properties, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So here's the thing. Let's say that when we speak of the object, this is the object, this folder is the object. It could be a file, it could be a folder, it could be anything. Here's what we have to do. Right click on it, select show more options and properties. Now go to the security tab, click on the account for which you need the access, click on edit and make sure that all the options under deny are unchecked and all the options under allow are checked, especially full control should be checked. In this case I cannot change it, but if you can change it then make sure that allow is checked. Okay, and then click on OK and then on OK once again, or apply and OK, both of them are gonna work the same. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.